Step back in time with a visit to Arbaer, an open-air museum of restored homes, turf houses, and barns reminiscent of the way Icelanders lived hundreds of years ago. Walking through the buildings, you'll feel like you're in an old village from the 20th century. Located just 10 minutes outside of Reykjavik, this is a great way to experience the local culture and heritage. Staff members dress up in costumes, view live craft demonstrations, see domestic animals, and visit the cafe and gift shop. The museum is open year-round, but I highly recommend the holiday festivities that run every weekend for the weeks leading up to Christmas. Learn how to make candles from animal fat, eat delicious holiday treats, make traditional crafts, sing with the locals, and even get a chance to spot the Yule lads. Walk around as you please, or guided tours are available in English starting daily at 1 o'clock. No pre-booking is necessary, and plan to spend about 1 to 2 hours. For more information, visit their website linked in the description below. Will you be adding this to your Reykjavik itinerary?